This video is made for educational and entertainment purposes. Do not repeat anything that you'll see in this video.
Come on. I'm gonna... Oh my god, I just can't believe what I'm seeing, bud. Hey everyone, Michael here, and I'm a crypto enthusiast, and I'm a huge fan of Ethereum because this coin has a huge potential to go to the moon because it didn't show any growth yet compared to Bitcoin. I decided to put to the test other ways to actually get some. Here I came across some crypto-related games, and I was kind of interested. So I'm gonna go here. This is my Telegram group. You can pause the video, by the way. And yeah, and here I'm gonna do something, guys. And yeah, before we move on any further, I'd like to say that I'm recording this for my friends, actually. I don't give any recommendations here. Never repeat things that I do here. It's just like my personal experience, and I'll be excited to rewatch it in a few years. So, right here, I got this game. Okay, so I'm just gonna follow the steps here. Just like that. One more step. Come on. Looks correct to me. And now I'm going to wait till it's loading. Almost there. 33, 52. Okay, come on. Almost there. And yep, done. Perfect. So now I'm gonna go with this first option, just like that. I'm eager to start playing, actually. So here, yeah, I'm gonna go here, just like that. And wait a sec. It says limit reached. Okay. So I'm gonna go with some of the requirements here. So give me just a sec. I'm just gonna do something about it. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna do something. So give me just a sec, guys. I'll try to be real quick. And I'm gonna go back to playing the game. So yeah, it's processing. Come on. Yep, it's already done. Perfect. I'm totally happy about that. And now I'm gonna reload this. Oh, that was fast. All right, so now I'm gonna. Yeah, I mean, here the fun part actually begins because I'm gonna start playing. So now I'm gonna open the same tiles as on the picture and just like that. Yeah, this interface is something. I mean, it's so beautiful. Okay. Now I'm gonna open just like that. Yeah, it's a pure fun. I'm totally enjoying this. Yeah, that's cool. I'm gonna continue having fun here, I'm gonna open here, and I'm totally enjoying this because, I mean, this gameplay, this interface, they both look amazing. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there because I'm just gonna do something here. Give me just a sec. I'm just gonna this, and then I'm just gonna enter this thing right here, just like that. And yeah, guys, I remind you that I'm recording this just for my friends because I wanted to show them this fun because they don't believe me. So, come on. I'm gonna... Oh my god, I just can't believe what I'm seeing, but I mean, it's just, that's just how it is. Yeah. Like I said, guys, it's just for my friends. Never repeat this. And it's just for fun. See you next time.